Hello, this is Sergeant Joji, and today we're working on IconX 2018. We're going to be replacing battery on our left earbud. Go ahead and remove all the accessories. Now with the pry tool, I'm going to remove the touchpad and the speaker. There will be a ribbon connecting to the battery housing, so let's go ahead and remove the ribbon. This is going to be a bit tricky to remove the speaker from our battery housing. So what we're going to do is where the reset button is, slide the flathead like that carefully, and when we flip it upside down, same thing on the left side, slide it underneath like that. Hey, we got that off. So now we have the battery housing. The battery, when you're looking at it, when you're looking at the battery housing with the reset button facing you, there will be 2 pins on top. Prior mode, like that. Battery housing will open. This is where the battery is located. Go ahead and use the flat part and put it in between the housing and the battery. Like that. You will have a small space right there. Go ahead and just put it carefully. Like that. Perfect. Here's our replacement battery. The positive goes to the bottom, negative stays to the top. Like that. If you can see it, like that. We'll close latch the housing, or we're gonna put our speaker back and the side touchpad. We'll flip it to the side where you see the reset button is. It will go right in here. Make sure we move out of sight the. Here we go. That's how you remove and replace battery on your IconX 2018 earbud.